Hello, it's Oleg from VanTourist video blog, and in this video I will make a mattress cushions from my sitting area in a van, and I will do that from the IKEA mattress by cutting it and with the help from nearby sewing shop that will make covers for me. I already made a video not very long time ago about making cushions for my storage couch. I will give you a link right there and in the description. In that video I showed very detailed process how to make cushions from the IKEA mattress and how to make covers for that. So if you want to see it in very detailed steps, you can see that video. And in this video I will not repeat all the same slow process, I will show only the main steps, so this video will be very fast and dynamic. Let's go! For my sleeping area in a van I need 4 cushions. I will make that with 2 mattress covers, 2 IKEA mattresses, 4 mattress covers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And my chicken cutter. Look at this guy. Let's start. That's how my bed cushions will work. Now I need to cut my mattress to the size of these cushion covers. IKEA rates these mattresses as 120 mm thickness. But if you remove the mattress covers, which are pretty thick, you're only left with about 90 mm of foam inside. I will compensate this difference by putting the foam that I will cut for my size back into the mattress covers, and only after that I will put all that to my handmade mattress covers for my cushions. With all that I will have back my 120 mm mattress that I want. Woo! First one done. The mattress is 2 meters long, but this backrest cushions is a little shorter, so I need to cut this part too. Oh wow, I have a little problem with my ruler. This part was just destroyed, and now all the ruler inside this box and I couldn't get it out. Yeah, cheap rulers. And of course I don't have any other rulers in my house, so I will use this super precise tool just to measure my cuts. That was super exhausting, because this cushion is so narrow you can barely push it into the space, but yeah, it's possible. Whew. I need a little break.
This guy always find the best spots to sleep.
Yeah, you're
the best. The best.
Okay, now the big part. And now you will know why I bought separate mattress covers. Because if I try to apply the mattress cover that comes with the mattress to this part, I can do only one side and half of another side. It's just too small. So I bought the separate mattress cover and will try to use it. And with that cover I can do one side and the other side too. So it's perfect. And because of my bed construction I need to cut this small corner from the mattress or it will not fit in my van. Okay, this piece was much easier than a smaller one. Much easier. 2 cushions is ready, 2 more to go. You may ask why I bought 2 separate mattresses instead of one big mattress, and I cut them anyway. So with 2 mattresses I need to make one less cut between the pieces, and also with these 90 centimeters wide mattresses I got the right size mattress covers for these small cushion parts. So it's a little more expensive, but it was a little more convenient for me. Damn, this thing eats batteries like candies. I think that's the last job for this cutter because it lost of its power and it makes some funny rattle noises, so yeah. But it did the job. Yeah, that's all for this cutter. Thank you for your service. Oh my, it's over. It's finally over. Let's see what I have now. And that's how it will look in a van. And now you can see it's a sitting area mode. But if I want to convert it to sleeping area, I just put the middle section there that made from the table and the second piece. And I just move my cushions like that. And now I have a giant king-size RAID sleeping area, and it's 2 meter long and 1 meter and 80 centimeters wide, which is very big sleeping area. And now I will move all there into the van. And that's all the foam left from the mattresses, so that was super efficient. And here we are in a van in a bed area, and let's see how it will look with new cushions. Amazing! The size fits perfectly, the color is super great. Let's add a table. Okay, that was easy. I'm really glad that this table is right height and my couch is right height too. It's super cool that all the measurements with second floor, cushions, bed area and all the things turns out with perfect sizing. And it's also so spacious. See, I think 4 people could easily sit there, and on the one side and 4 people on the other side, so it's 8 people could sit there, and 4 or 6 of them could sit at the table. Looks like one here, one there, and one on this side. Yep, it's a perfect area for dining, work or table games. Why not? Sitting area is great, but let's turn it to the sleeping area. That was super easy, maybe 1 minute, and this sleeping area is huge. It could fit, I don't know, 3 people easily. That will be awkward, but 2 people, super spacious. All the cushions fits perfectly in this bed area, and you couldn't feel the gaps between separate cushions, so that's super nice size fits. Let's set it back to the sitting one. Yeah, that was super easy too, just couple of seconds, and we again have our sitting area. You know, this cushion is so big you could easily sleep just on one of them. Look, easy! With that cushion's installation, my sitting area in a van is complete, and it makes hell of a difference. With these new cushions, this whole area looks so much complete right now, like a real commercial camper van bed area. I am very happy how all this area turns out, and I don't want to change anything there. It all works as I want it to be right now. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you don't want to miss other videos about completion of this van conversion, and I see you in next videos. Bye.